Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. How to insert rows and columns in Excel, iOS or iPhone. So first of all, just go ahead to your App Store, Google Play. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on my avatar icon or my Apple ID at the top right. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead to the apps and I'm going to just type Excel, right? Or spreadsheet, right? And basically what's going to happen, you're going to find that, the Google Sheet, sorry. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just double check if your Google Sheet app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it. And if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just open up the Google Sheet, right? Now as you can see, this is the interface of the app. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead into opening any like type of Excel spreadsheet that you created. I created one, so as you can see right here, this is like the one, right? Basically you're gonna be able to see this is like a column, right? And basically you're gonna be able to see like this is the E, D, and C. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be able to extend it, right, or move it to whatever I want, basically, right? And I'm gonna just, let's say for example, I'm gonna select E, right? And I'm going to see right here, like I can extend it, right? Or I can minimize it, right? And the same goes for right here, the, let's have an example like this section, right? So what I'm going to do, you're going to be able to see like a small circle, blue circle. So I'm going to be able to extend it to actually, make it bigger or smaller, right? So I'm going to be able to do like this, right? You're going to be able to see something like that. In the 11, 12, 13, you're going to be able to see like an extension, and I'm going to be able to extend it, or I'm going to make it smaller, right? So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.